In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Visual Studio Code for web development. First of all, you need to go to the Google and write VS Code editor or VS Code, like write VS Code and go to the Visual Studio Code website. Wait, it will open this website and you can download. For this time I am using Windows, that means it's showing the Windows. After downloading these things, then you need to create index.html file for creating your HTML index file, and then you need to download some extension. First of all, for opening and seeing the live update, you need to install live server. You need to install this extension live server. Already in my PC it was installed. Here you need to click just here. You will see that uninstall option. You need to just click the install option. It will automatically click the install, and you need to click another. You need to install another extension which is called JavaScript ES6 code snippet for JavaScript code. When you write JavaScript, it will automatically show the code snippet, and then you need to write the code. For example, here I am writing h1 tag, how to set up Visual Studio Code for web development. This way you can set up Visual Studio Code for your web development, right? And now I am pressing the right button and opening with live server. Here I am opening with live server. Click again live server. Yes, you can see the font size is bigger. Thank you for watching this video.